What is up? What is
Wait,
up, guys?
we need that? I don't have one.
Did you buy a firework?
I only have enough for the research thing.
Oh my god.
Can I have one? You only have
Give him a firework. Give him a firework. I'm out.
I'm out. Bruh.
Hey.
Okay,
I'm still here, you know that.
It's pitch black. I'm kidding. It's pitch black.
Y'all gonna leave me?
I guess we jump over there.
We died, your
Yeah.
fault.
Where do we like?
Go this way. Right here.
But this is where the grappler is.
I need a grappler so bad.
This is a quick way to get into sewers.
How I gonna get through all of this?
Just try your best.
No, don't leave me! Don't leave me!
Did you fall?
I guess I'm gonna have to try my part.
Did you fall?
Oh, I didn't win with you guys.
He fell. So great. Now you can actually learn how to. Oh God. Do I have anything? Well, I'm cooked. Sound down. Ready to run. Made it. I actually turned my sound down and did that. I'm pretty sure they all hate me by now. Ooh, purple.
I'll give it.
They all hate me. Probably. Oh my God. Got it! Ooh, that's a big chunk. Can I put these on my sides? No, I can't. Oh, that goes fine.
We're coming back.
That's only worth 300, so I'm probably be good. The biggest chunk is like 300. Those are mostly all pebbles. I swear to God, if I say pebble in a public lobby and someone says Dandy World, I am going to suffocate them. Oh, I'm cooked. Eyes went between your legs. Not like that. Okay. So yeah, you are welcome, guys, for the free way of how to get the sewers faster.
I trust you.
Damn.
Oh my fucking.
Don't mind the cussing in the background for someone. Oh God.
Negative.
Aura. I got a grenade. Grenade.
You're at spawn?
Dang. How did I almost died? I almost died like 50 times. Dang. So there's also like a little bit to hold on to it while you mine it. They can just stay in the air and float. I don't really want these. I'm kind of rich, so like, not trying to flex. Hopefully, I don't go broke, because like, people think I'm flexing. I'm not flexing. Please don't hate
Alright,
me.
dude, we're coming back.
Right there. So if you didn't know, you can. If you didn't know, you can do that too. And you guys are welcome for the tutorial. Oh my God, there's some loot right here. Hopefully I get another big piece, even if I don't collect them. Hopefully I get coins, research points.
Don't mean to me.
I got nothing. What about this pickle? How much did I get? Oh, dang it. Hey, yo. It looked like something else for a second. Is that it? No. Dang it, man. There's purple over there, but there's a giant.
That one's for down.
I'm at the end of the series and I see so much purple. Hold up, I don't know where they are. I mean, the giants, if I kill him, I mean...
We're coming in the entrance. There's meet us in the entrance.
I'm already at the end. Teleport it back. Okay, I'm at the beginning. I got a couple research points. Let's see.
We'll meet you. Just come back with us. Just come back with us. We'll be waiting for you.
That's the exact amount I have. Okay. I hear you guys. I'm gonna come to sewers again with a flashlight.
No, go to the spot where we went. The spot. Remember the easy spot?
Yeah, I'm coming to you guys. Alright, I need a flash. No, not a flashlight. You're welcome for the tutorial.